In this video, we will introduce Prompt Dialog Part 2. Now let's implement our user dialog functionality. Here I already have my button for the button prompt and then my result. In the onCreate method, I'm going to call add listener on prompt. By calling the add listener on prompt method, I'm going to first get the components from the main.xml, the button prompt, and the edit text result. On the button prompt, I'm going to set an onClick listener and implement the onClick method. The first thing I'm going to do is set up the prompts view. I'm going to create an alert dialog builder with this context, and I'm going to set the alert dialog builder to the prompts view. The prompts view, which is a prompts.xml, also has a edit text dialog user input and a text view 1. We're going to be using the edit text dialog user input. Now we're going to set the dialog message, and we're going to set the positive button to OK, and we're going to set an onClick listener on that button. When the user types in something into the prompt dialog, we're going to actually take that and set it to the result. For the cancel button, we're going to simply call dialog cancel. Now what we need to do is finally create the alert dialog and show it. And we're going to use the alert dialog builder and call the create method, and finally alert dialog show. Now let's demonstrate our functionality. I already have the Android emulator up and running. I also have already installed my app on the emulator. If you want to start the emulator and start the app, remember that you have to go to your project and right click on it, select Run As, and then Android Application. Here I have my Show Prompt Dialog. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And type in VTC and hit OK. Notice that the text box now has the value that was placed within the prompt dialog. This concludes our discussion of Prompt Dialog Part 2.